How to amend a tax return on TaxAct. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's a quick guide on amending a tax return using TaxAct. So first of all, you need to go to taxact.com in a web browser. Click on sign in and then enter your username and password to log in. Also click on agree and sign in to access your account. So before you start, gather all the documents related to the changes you're making. This includes your original tax return, supporting documents, and details about the corrections. In TaxAct, find the original tax return you filed and click the Amend Return option to begin. TaxAct will guide you through the process. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter the correct information for each item that you need to change. After entering all the information, carefully review Amended Return to ensure everything is accurate and double-check all entries. Once you've reviewed your return, follow the prompts to complete the amendment process, and depending on the changes, you might need to print and mail your amended return to IRS. TaxAct will provide instructions on whether mailing is required and where to send it. After submitting your amended return, track its status, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.